Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the valve lash on your Kawasaki FH series engine. This will apply to the FH451V all the way up to the FH680V. First thing you're going to want to do is I like to lift up the front of the mower, put it on some blocks, that way it keeps oil from coming out of the valve cover. Then you're going to want to remove the spark plug wires and the spark plugs. That just makes the engine easier to turn over. Then remove the valve cover. You'll have two 10mm bolts right there. And then rotate the engine over to top dead center on the compression stroke. To do that, you're going to watch the intake and exhaust valves. So when this one goes down, you know you're entering the new stroke cycle. The intake will go down, and then when the intake comes back up, you're going to be watching the piston for it to come up to top dead center. That's the compression stroke. And then you want to stop rotating the engine there and set your valves. Now you can also stick something in the cylinder to help you find top dead center on compression stroke. Just make sure you don't scratch anything. Then when you're at top dead center compression stroke, get a feeler gauge and you're going to stick it in right here. The spec is 4 to 6 thousandths for the intake and exhaust. So you're going to loosen this 3mm set screw and adjust this 14mm adjuster until you get 4 to 6 thousandths. I like to set it on the tight end, like 4, and then when I tighten the set screws down, it will be right in the center at about 5 thousandths. The spec for tightening these set screws is 61 inch-pounds. So then after that, rotate the engine over once, make sure everything works as it should, maybe recheck, and then you can reinstall your rocker cover. Now you may or may not need a new valve cover gasket, depending on if yours is ripped or not. Chances are it will be baked on and you'll need to scrape it and get a new one. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. And then the torque value for the two rocker cover bolts are 52 inch-pounds. So I'd probably just do 60, which is 5 foot-pounds. Then you're going to reinstall your spark plug, torque it down to 16 foot-pounds, reinstall your spark plug wire, and you should be good to go. So that's all there is to adjusting the valve lash on the Kawasaki FH V-Twin series engine. Thanks for watching.